Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejasvi. Rakshabandhan is around the corner, so I thought why not share with you a makeup video. So here I come up with this makeup look right here. Now this is not a complex look, just a glitter eye and red lip. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching.
Okay, so first I'm using Miss Claire's Professional Primer to blur out my open pores and fill them in. Now I've already moisturized my skin before filming, so before using primer, do moisturize your skin without fail. For my base, I'm going to be using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation and I'm in the shade Warm Sand. It is a buildable foundation, so you can go in with another layer for more coverage. I'm quite happy with the result, so I'll be going only with one layer. Now to conceal, I'm using the L.A.Girl Pro Conceal and I'm using it because it has become my current favorite and also it is really light on skin and gives a good coverage. I'm in the shade Pure Beige. Now to set my base, I'm using the Maybelline Fitme powder and I'm in the shade Medium. For brows, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Nudes palette and I'm using the dark brown shade to fill in my brows. For eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette and first I'm using the shade Nefertiti and I'm patting it on my entire eyelid with my finger. After that, I'm using the Eden shade in my crease just to define it more. Now I'm using the saffron shade to deepen the crease and I'm also using it on my outer corner as well. Now taking the same shade, that is saffron, I'm going in with the lower lash line to define it. Now for liner, I'm taking the Nykaa Get Winged eyeliner and I'll be drawing a wing eyeliner for today. Now for blush, I'm taking the Nykaa Get Chicky Duo blush and I'm using the coral shade of it as my blush. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express mascara. And to finish off on my lips, I'm using the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipsticks and I'm in the shade Boss. It is a really beautiful red lipstick and I just love it. So yeah, this is the final result. I hope you all liked it. It is not too complex to create, just an easy way I've shown to create this look.
So that was it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, do not forget to recreate this look on this Rakhi, and if you recreate, do not forget to tag me on my social medias. I'll link them in the description box below. Also, do not forget to hit a like button if you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe. Happy Rakshabandhan to you guys. Bye.